Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So man's excited to be back at you all again. So guys, today's guest is my fellow Naija sister Tracy. I actually met Tracy last year on the set of a shoot, and we kind of kept in touch, like via social media. And immediately I asked her to please grace my channel with her beautiful face. She did not hesitate. She immediately obliged me. So thank you very much, Tracy. I appreciate it. Love ya. So guys, Tracy is an upcoming singer-songwriter based here in London. I really love Tracy's sound. I will describe her sound more like soulful jazz with Afro influences infused in her music. I like the tone of her voice. It's very distinct to her. Like, she's one of those people that when you hear, you know this is Tracy. So if you are a lover of like jazz music or like soul music, or just nice eccentric sounds, I would recommend that you follow Tracy. I will leave all of her social media links and like her Spotify, iTunes, everything. I'll leave it in the description box. Please support a sister, stream, download, share, and if you are fortunate enough to be chanced to see her performing anywhere, she's in your area or whatever, please go, just support and share the love. So yeah guys. Oh, and I also must say that the track actually playing in the video is Tracy's own song, Mr. Man. This is my favorite track of hers, hands down. Like, I had to ask her to let me put it in the video. So yeah guys, I will be going in and out with the commentary so that you can get a chance to actually get a feel for her sound and enjoy the music as well. So yeah, with that being said, I will check out now and I'll check back in later. Enjoy guys.
Put my guard down for you. Don't let me down. Don't be crucible, Mr. Main, Mr. Main. Don't you understand? This feeling in me, it's a big inconvenience. Hey, Mr. Main, Mr. Main.
So to prime Tracy's eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm using the new Makeup Revolution concealers. I do have a review already up for these concealers. I will link that across the screen right about now. So if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. Thanks. For eyeshadow, I am using the Labelle So Lush eyeshadow palette. The company Labelle is actually a UK owned company. This is the first time I'm actually using the palette. I haven't used it on myself personally. Tracy was the first person I used it on, and I was actually impressed by the shadows. Super soft, very easy to blend, and pigmented as hell. So yeah, I love it. So now I'm just going back in with the very first brush I used to apply the shade Bahamas, and just blend Bahamas and Cocoa in together so that they look really soft and nicely blended into each other. Here I'm reaching for my Makeup Addiction Flaming Love palette and using the shade Brownie. I'm just using that to deepen the outer corner of the eye to create some further dimension to the look. So now I'm going back in with the concealer from LA Girl to cut the crease. My intention was to do a cut crease look, but it ended up not exactly being that much of a cut crease, but more of like a soft cut crease look. But either way, I think the look still came out great. So now I'm just reaching back into all the colors that I have already previously used. So nude, cocoa, and I'm just really blending them all into each other so that the eye looks softly blended and there's no harsh lines of demarcation between each color.
Ah.
So yeah guys, I need to apologize. There wasn't really much footage of me lining the eyes because I just put my big head in the frame. So yeah, apologies.
Okay, we finally meet. We touch both hands, Mr. Man. I heard a lot about you. Hope you've heard the.
So Tracy has combination skin, and at the moment she's suffering from dry patches. That's why I went in with the Kryolan underbase at first, because that is very much for dry skin, and I let that really soak into the skin while I was doing the eyes. And now I'm just using the Kiko Matt base to mattify her T-zone where she's the oiliest the most, and the Ordinary High Adherence silicone primer for the rest of her face. And then I'm going over that with the Delilah liquid highlighter, basically is what that is, for a glow underneath all of the foundation and stuff that's going to come. And I mixed the foundations because none of the two individually were a perfect color match for her, so mixing them both just seemed to work out better for me, and that's why I mixed both foundations. So I'm really enjoying using this new Makeup Revolution concealer, as they've sort of replaced my LA Girl. I'm reaching for a more, maybe because they're new, I don't know, but I quite like the way that they perform. They're very easy to blend. Did anyone else get this concealer? Please let me know in the comment section below. Did you get it? Do you like it? How are you loving it? I want to know.
Down for you. Don't let me down. Don't be crucible, Mr. Man, Mr. Man. Don't you understand? This feeling in me. It's a Mr. May, Mr. May, Mr. May.
And now palette. And use the. Oh, oops.
Do that again.
If you know me, yeah, you know that I'm a real clumsy person. I'm always tripping over stuff, tipping things over, you know, dropping stuff. It's ridiculous. But yeah, that was a close one. So I'm just using that Ben Nye powder to contour her face and add some definition. And now I'm using the shade Caramel and Honey Spice to cut the cheek. I would normally use like translucent powder, but I didn't want to do that today. I just wanted to use sort of skin tone color powder, and it worked out fine. Now I'm just bronzing and, you know, the usual stuff to add back warmth and definition to Tracy's face.
Don't lie to me. You brought me this far. Ain't I for keys, Mr. Man? You sit there and tell me things that don't make sense, Mr. Man. Don't make sense. Hey. Say don't make sense.
So after handling business with all of the powder stuff, I'm just going in with the spray now to take away that cakey look of the makeup. And now I'm just going over the liner to intensify the liner itself. And then for the bottom eyelash area, I just went in with Brownie from the Framing Love palette and just smoked that out, her lower lash line. And I went for this Makeup Revolution highlighter today because I like how it gives sort of like a bronzy, sort of toasted finish to the skin. It's amazing and it's super affordable. I never finish, and she done they already feel herself. For me, this is the joy in doing what I do. This is why I do this. Once the lippy was done, the whole look was completed. We had a lot of fun filming this video. It was just bare laughter all day. We hope that you guys enjoy. Please check Tracy out. All of her links are in the description box below. If you are not subscribed yet, you are really on a long tin because I don't know why you are waiting. Hit the subscribe and the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Bye guys.
I hope you're